Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the potentially unwanted program called Global PC Cleaner Pro. Global PC Cleaner Pro. This is not a virus, this is not a malware, but this is definitely a potentially unwanted program. On one hand, it is spread through integration with many free applications, and its installer is a silent installer actually. So when people decide to install some free software, that requested software may be integrated with some other free applications, and indeed they claim to be free, but they are not free, and sometimes there may be some other potentially unwanted or even malicious programs. Global PC Cleaner Pro is spread exactly like that through silent installers. Once installed, it generates its so-called scanning, and then it reports a lot of malware to be the part of the computer. Then, in many of the cases, these so-called scan results are fabricated. This Global PC Cleaner Pro may report fake errors, fake troubles in order to convince users to basically purchase its full version. Another trouble with this Global PC Cleaner Pro is that you cannot find it in the control panel. I've just tried to do that. I went to the control panel, clicked on uninstall a program, and here it is. I cannot find it here. That's another trouble. And many users find this Global PC Cleaner Pro, and then they don't realize how to get rid of it. This Global PC Cleaner Pro arranges its so-called scannings each time users turn on their computers, and they just don't know how to get rid of it completely. So these are the so-called scan results. It says 7,536 errors were detected. When you click on Fix Issues, I assume it will tell you to purchase its so-called full version, which is basically not really different from the trial one. It also says that some malware from a downloaded file could not be removed, and it tells you to call this fake support number. Anyway, we recommend you to be very careful and not to tolerate this potentially unwanted program. If you don't know how to get out of this locked screen, what you can do is basically open the task manager of your computer, and then you need to terminate this task. So we recommend you to immediately remove this Global PC Cleaner from your computer. It acts in a very aggressive manner indeed. As you can see, it has again hijacked the screen. So if you cannot open the task manager, you may just sign out and then sign in back again and remove this weird application that just acts in such an aggressive manner. We recommend you to remove it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Go to this page, combocleaner.com, and here we see this trouble again. The screen was hijacked. Let's try to do it again. Let's sign out and then sign in back again. After we do that, we might need to use the task manager to stop that malicious process of Global PC Cleaner eventually. So let's do it. Right click on it and end its task completely. If you see any other suspicious software, you need to end their task too. Anyway, let's get back again to Combo Cleaner. ComboCleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner through this official website, ComboCleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode, so click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your computer. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner antivirus has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner is able to detect and remove the majority of threats, including adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and of course all other malware very well. Combo Cleaner has got several useful features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature that can protect your system against ransomware, and all types of other features that are handy and can always protect your system from all sorts of ransomware, malware, adware, and other types of attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner antivirus. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.